What is link? And how can we use it? Link is a way to move objects to any scene and copy them there. In the same time, we save all the object data in their origin files, and with that, we keep the scene from getting extra load that for sure would make it heavy. So, what I have here is those grass objects, 2 of them, each in separate collection. First thing to do is, reset the object's position to world origin. We do that by selecting the objects and pressing Alt-G. Here with this object, there is a gap between the mesh and the origin, so, I will move it down in edit mode to fix this. And we done here. Just remember the name of the collection, and save the file as usual. I already saved it. Now, in this scene, I will copy the object bunch of time just to demonstrate. However, it might goes up to 50 copies and even more. Still won't put any load on this file because all the data are being saved in another one. So as I said, I will put some copies of the grass here on the right, and also, I have this collection empty to contain those copies. Now, make sure the cursor in an area visible and not under any mesh, because the object will appear in the cursor position. We can move it for sure after that. Then, we need to go to Files and look for Link, navigate to where your object's file is and select it. Now in the collection folder, I have the 2 collections that I made. Select the one needed, which is the collection called Small, and here it is. Now I can move it up and down, rotate and scale it with multiple copies. If we go into render view, the grass is brought with its materials of course, but, if you want to adjust the material settings you won't find it here. Like in this mesh, here it is, but once you select the linked object it's gone, and that's because to change it, you need to do that in the origin file. Like for example, if for some reason I want to make this grass red, I will go to the grass file, remove this texture and change the color to red, then I need to save the file again. After that, I will go back to the scene, and from here at the outline, I will change it to Blender file, scroll down to the end, and you will find the file's name that I linked to this scene. Select the file, and with the right mouse button, hit reload, and now it's red. That's all I have to say guys. Stay sharp, goodbye.